Hello friends, welcome to Digital Trade YouTube channel. On this channel I talk about SaaS product reviews, online money making, internet marketing and technology. So if you are interested in any of this topic, you can subscribe. In this video I'm going to talk about a tool called as AccountStory. Now if you as a business owner or marketing professional, what is your biggest pain point? Getting qualified leads, right? Also getting meetings booked with them, right? Now AccountStory does exactly the same. It books meeting for you. It does all the cold email sending work. It does all the outreach work. All you have to do is, once the meeting is booked, all you have to do is talk to the prospect who is already interested in your product or service and sell him, right? Now account story offering 30 days of free trial, during which you can enjoy free meetings booked for you. Now it is equivalent to hiring a sales development representative, SDR, for 1 month. Alright, so now let's go to the laptop screen and see how the tool works. Hello friends, so now we are on the website of the tool, accountstory.com. So before giving the before showing you the actual tool, let me show you the pricing. So now the tool can be divided mainly into two parts. One is their Chrome extension and another is campaign manager. Now where you can use the Chrome extension, you can use this Chrome extension on LinkedIn to find the contact details of key decision maker or stakeholders. Like if you want to find email ID of a CEO, founder or manager, etc., of a person who is working in X company, then you can use their Chrome extension. Campaign manager is basically a full details you need to provide there, where you will get, once you give all the details to them, they are going to book meetings for you. So that is campaign manager. So let me first show you the pricing for Chrome extension. So Chrome extension basically starts at, free edition start at $0 per month, where you will get 20 credits. You get verified contact details of stakeholders. You have to download the LinkedIn extension. If you need more contact details, then you can go for higher plans and you will get more credits. And also you get dedicated support manager, etc., right? You can check this. Campaign manager I was talking about. Now you can get started free for 30 days free trial, where you will get a dedicated SDR, highly targeted company. You will get qualified leads to your inbox directly. You will going to get, basically going to get meetings booked for you. Also a dedicated copywriter is going to be there for you to reach out to their target audience. So now once you create an account, you have to sign in. So let me sign into my account now. Okay, so now once I sign in onto my account, this is how the interface looks like. So this is my dashboard. This is the campaign manager, and there is a setting. So the tool is very simple. Now on the dashboard, you can download the Chrome extension if you haven't. I have already done this, but you can do it, right? So with Chrome extension, you can find contact details of stakeholders and decision makers. I will show you shortly how it's done. Now first, I would like to show you campaign manager. That's the main theme of the video, right? So campaign manager, what you do is go to the campaign manager. You can see I already created a campaign and it's in the review. Basically the people are trying to book meetings for me. So that's in the progress right now. I'm yet to get any meetings booked for me. So once you are in the campaign manager, what you're going to do is go to the create new campaign, and here what you're going to do is set up your campaign. So how do you set up? So let me, you have to just name your campaign first. So suppose I am selling a B2B lead generation service, right? This is my campaign name. Company name. My company name is Digiliterate, right? That's my company name. What do you sell? I'm selling a service, right? So if you are going to sell a product or if you're going to sell software, you can choose that. If you're doing both service and software, you can choose that. So if they have forecasted a target audience of around 1 million, I would say 100 million. But now here you can choose like how much, how many days you want to run the campaign. 1 day, 7 day, 30 day. Now you are going to get 30-day free trial, so you can utilize it to the maximum potential. Now once you do that, now the next step is choosing your audience. So you have to select what type of audience you are targeting, or your ideal customer profile. So please list all the potential title of people. What type of people you are targeting? I'm targeting founders of the company. You might be targeting managers based on your requirement, right? You can choose that. I'm going to choose founders and CEOs. Now, what type of tool do they evaluate? So basically, what service I am selling, most people are looking for. Most people who are looking to purchase this service are evaluating sales enablement tool. So that's what they are, you know, um, evaluating. But depending on your ideal customer profile, it might be different. What is your target industry? Now, my target industry are from people who are in the computer software. Now, your target industry might be IT, construction, etc. You can choose that. What is your ideal target department? My target department of marketing. Your might be different. You can choose that. What is your target company size? I'm targeting company size that are small and medium. Your might be different. You can choose depending on the number of employees that are working in that company, right? Geography, I'm targeting people in the United States. You might be targeting people from other countries. Who are some current customers we can name as a part of our messaging? So if you have sell this service to other people, who are your customers? Which companies brought you? um, this Xeom has sold my product to Xeom before, so they are my customers, so I am choosing them. So if you want to exclude some companies, you can do that. Who are some companies that we should exclude? Now, I don't have any such company that I want to exclude, right? Now, you can also include a CSV file with a list of companies that you want to exclude, right? You can also include their domain names. But I don't want to exclude anything, so I'll just click on next. Once that is done, it's going to get submitted, right? Now, the mode of delivery you have to choose. Now, which way you want to reach out to the people. Now, there are two ways they will be reaching out. One is LinkedIn messages and email messages. Now, I'm going to choose both. I want them to reach both ways, through LinkedIn as well as through emails. Now, here you can choose like where would you like us to send generated leads. Now, they will generate leads, right? They are going to email you that leads. So you have to just enter your email ID. I'm going to do this one. Now, they're also going to book meetings for you. So you have to give your Calendly link if you have one. I have here. I'm going to just give this link to them. So I'm just going to paste the Calendly link over here. Let me choose the calendar link over from here. So this is my calendar link. Anyone can book a meeting with me. I'm just going to paste this and I'm going to click next. As you can see, the target audience has reduced as I'm narrowing down my ideal customer profile. So the audience has also reduced, right? So deliver audience has been chosen, delivery method has been chosen. Now you have to provide them with just a few questions to make sure we make creative that gets meeting, right? So what is your product name? So my product name is B2B, verified B2B leads. That's my product name. Your product name can be different. What is your company one liner? So my company is affordable marketing services. That's mine, but that's just randomly I written. But you can write company liner that will you know show the like what your company stands for, what your company is providing, what problem is your product solving. So my product is solving uh, basically uh, verified leads is what I am verified leads for selling products. That's my basically that's my product is solving this problem. What impact of solving the product? So you have to just write like what impact the person will get, like what benefit the person will get after he purchase your product. um, Ability to book more meetings. So that's my product is going to do. What your product is going to do, you can do that. Now, if you have any marketing materials, you can attach that so they can use it to reach out to the prospect and book meetings. So that is going to be more easy. But I don't have any marketing material right now, so I'm going to click next. So also you can see like I'm going to get 1 to 2 leads a week as per the audience that I provided. So the creative has been done. How does success looks like to you? What do you want? Like if you want more meetings, I would write I need more meetings, at least 2 per week, right? You can be writing anything that you like. What is your typical price point? So my service prices are under 1K, but if you are more, you can choose that. What your cost per lead? It is under 50, but you can choose as per your requirement, and that's it. So once you choose your audience, choose the delivery method and the creative, you are ready to launch your campaign, and they are going to take care everything after this, and they are going to send you the they are going to send you the qualified leads as well as book meetings directly to your calendly. So all you have to do is talk to them and sell your services. So I'm going to activate my service. So I'm choosing 30 days here, right? So as you can see, your campaign has been serviced and is being reviewed by the team. Then it's going to process and it's going to get delivered, right? So that's it. So that's it. Like once you come to the campaign manager again, you will see that your campaign is in review. That's about it. So that was the overview of the tool. Now if you like it, I'm going to provide the link in the description. You can start with your 30-day trials, get qualified leads free of cost. 30 days of free of cost for you, no credit card required or anything. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.